Hey Dad, I was thinking about going into forensics. Where should I start? I'm going to tell you where to start. Get a puppy. Maybe even get two puppies. Why do I say this? Because maybe you'll come out of your office, go upstairs, get a drink of water, and there's something that's been destroyed, scattered across your entire floor and up the stairs. And now you get to pick up those little pieces, try to determine what the main component of this was, and was it an important thing? Imagine taking something, anything, take a random object, and drop it into a wood chipper and spray it across the room. That's having puppies. And it's a great training aid for if you want to go into forensics. You get to now determine what it was it important, and do you need to replace it? So, you want to go into forensics? Get a puppy.